Today we're learning the single crochet loop stitch technique. Let's get started. We'll be demonstrating this technique on a pre-made crochet piece. First, use your left thumb to hold down the working yarn. Insert your crochet hook from the left side of the yarn. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook in one motion. You've completed one single crochet loop stitch. Tip: remember to always hold down the yarn first, then work your single crochet through the stitch. Now, let me demonstrate this stitch again. Watch closely as I repeat the process.